Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to VJ's World. I am once again with you all with another interesting story, and the name of the story is Abul Hassan Iddiraj and Abu Jafar the Leper. Abul Hassan Iddiraj had traveled many times to Makkah, and the people used to follow him by reason of his knowledge of the road and the watering places. Once he set out and journeyed to Al Qadisiyah. Entering the mosque, he saw a leper seated in the prayer niche. The leper told him, O Abul Hassan, I crave the company to Makkah. He refused to journey with a leper. Next day he came to Akabe, and to his amazement he found the leper in the prayer niche. He continued his journey, and at every stage he found the leper before him, till he came to Medina, where he lost sight of him and could hear no news of him. While he was standing on Arafat, one plucked him from behind, so he turned and saw it was Abu Jafar the leper. At this sight, Abul Hassan gave a loud cry and fell unconscious. In his sleep, he heard, O Abul Hassan, he who helps the weak, God loves him. Dream. There was a man who used to go about the streets and markets seeking food. One day, as he was walking, a piece of iron cut his finger and it bled. So he sat down and wiping away the blood, bound his finger. Then he went on, crying out, till he came to a bath, and entering, found it clean. Finding none there, he shut himself up, and taking out a piece of hashish, swallowed it. The fumes of the drug spread through his brain, and he rolled over onto the marble floor. Then the hashish made it appear to him as if a great lord were kneading him, and as if two slaves stood at his head, one bearing a bowl and the other washing gear and all the requirements of the bath. The slave opened the parcel and brought out 3 handkerchiefs of silk, one of which he threw over his head, a second over his shoulders, and a third he tied round his waist. When he awoke, he found a crowd of people laughing at him. So he knew that all this was only a dream. In Nasir and his Wazir. There was a king El-Melikan Nasir of Egypt, and his Wazir Abu Amir bin Marwan. And Nasir really liked the Wazir. The Wazir used to send gifts to the king, which pleased him. As a result, many people were jealous of him. They conspired against him. The king also rewarded the Wazir with treasure. There was a king Al-Malik Nasir of Egypt and his Wazir Abu Amir bin Marwan. And Nasir really liked the Wazir. The Wazir used to send gifts to the king, which pleased him. As a result, many people were jealous of him. They conspired against him. The king also rewarded the Wazir with treasure.